To WKP. Today we're going to be forecasting Hurricane Henri, which has winds right now of 75 miles per hour, and it's going to be making landfall on Long Island by tomorrow. Alright, so let's start off with the cloud tops in Henri. So there are some low temperatures in the cloud tops of Henri, but it doesn't look like anything that would indicate major extreme strengthening with Henri, and the convection is quite off Henri right now, so I don't think Henri will rapidly strengthen like we saw with Grace, but don't underestimate what I'm saying, because Henri will still be a dangerous storm. Take a look at this. This is the tropical storm wind speed chance. Most of Long Island under a 70 to 90% chance of tropical storm force winds, and all the way up into New Hampshire around a 50 to 80% chance of tropical storm force winds. Even Vermont has a chance of seeing tropical storm force winds from Henri. Now, when are you going to be seeing these winds arrive at your home? Well, if you're in Delaware or Virginia, probably by Saturday 8 p.m., which is tonight. And if you're in Long Island, probably by Sunday 2 p.m. Now, what we're going to be seeing with this storm is some high rainfall, around 6 to 10 inches for portions of Long Island, and flash flooding potential is moderate all the way from Hartford to Albany. So there is a high chance of a moderate chance of flash flooding, possibly river flooding, and possibly even some urban flooding. Now, also, we need to take a look at the peak surge on this storm, because there's going to be some high storm surge in Henri. 3 to 5 feet for Long Island Sound, Mastic Beach, 3 to 5 feet, all the way down to Cape May, around 1 to 3 feet, Nantucket Sound, 3 to 5 feet, Buzzards Bay, 3 to 5 feet, all the way up to Merrimack River with 1 to 3 feet of storm surge. So there is going to be some high storm surge. Now, how strong will Henri be on landfall? That's still a questionable outcome, but I do believe Henri will weaken before landfall, because depending on the track of Henri, Henri may move through some wind shear, and this will keep Henri from strengthening really fast, or it even may weaken, just slightly weaken the storm. I do believe it's possible we could see some further intensification before landfall, but Henri is going to be moving through that or that higher wind shear and into colder water. So, on landfall, Henri will have winds of 70 miles per hour, which is a strong tropical storm, to around 75 miles per hour, a low strength hurricane, but still, Henri will cause some bad weather conditions for where landfall is going to occur. Now, let's take a look at the water temperatures. As you can see, around 30 degrees Celsius where Henri is now. So, warmer water temperatures, we could see some further intensification, but as Henri moves into those colder waters, and like I said, some of the wind shear being in the area, we may see him flatline at a certain intensity and or weaken just a slightly bit. Here's what the intensity guidance for this storm is showing. Most models are keeping Henri at a mid-strength, or at a tropical storm, which is wrong, we know that now, to around a mid-strength hurricane. Now, the track's pretty obvious what's going to happen, making landfall in Long Island, and then after that we have a general idea that this storm will possibly move over Maine and into Canada, but that's still a little hairy right now since the models aren't that compact on this storm. Anyway, let's go to the GFS model, which is forecasting Henri to weaken a bit, and then which is forecasting Henri to weaken a bit in the area that I thought it may weaken, then possibly re-strengthen before landfall, and then after landfall start to weaken again. Thank you for watching. This has been WKP. Stay safe out there, and I'm going to leave you with the key messages. Please pause the video and read these. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please check the gospel message in the description.